Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
Accordingly, PI Volgo has been directed to take his custody and do the needful investigation. Some prima facie evidence is there. Now we will have to investigate into the matter. He has been booked for 120p conspiracy.
Conspiracy. And he has been missing all
He
this.
was responding after the commission of offence also.
Okay.
Even that was a sort of a question mark why. See, basically, when his name had come appeared in the crime, so it is required that he is required. Now, when the required person is not being, apprehended within a time, it becomes a sort of tension mounts to hunt out. We have tried our level best. We turned every milestone, every possible effort we did.